Hey creators, welcome back. If you're trying to get more US viewers on YouTube, you need to stop thinking globally and start thinking regionally. YouTube's algorithm doesn't just rank videos by topic, it ranks them based on who engages first and longest. So let's set your channel up for US discovery step by step. Step one, target US focused topics. Ask yourself, would someone in the United States search for this? Talk about US apps, US income methods, US education, US job trends, or US online tools. When your topic matches a region's interest, YouTube shows it there more often. Step two, use US style keywords. Your title should sound natural to American viewers. Add phrases like in the US, USA guide for Americans, or use dollars instead of other currencies. This tells the search system which audience your video fits. Step three, post during US active hours. Timing affects early engagement. Upload when Americans are online, morning Eastern Standard Time or evening Eastern Standard Time. If your first viewers are from the US, the algorithm tests your video with more US users. Step four, improve US click appeal. Your thumbnail should look clean and professional. Avoid too much text. Use bold contrast and clear results. Titles should promise a benefit like solving a problem or saving money. Step five, increase watch time from US viewers. Retention is everything. Start your video strong, skip long intros, get straight to the value. The longer US viewers stay, the more YouTube pushes your content in that region. Step six, speak naturally and clearly. Neutral English works best. Avoid heavy slang or local phrases that US viewers may not understand. Growing US traffic isn't luck, it's alignment. Align your topic, keywords, timing, and content style with US viewer behavior, and your reach will grow consistently. See you in the next video.